The Upstart battery YTX14-BS motorcycle battery delivers dependable starting power for a wide range of motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, utility terrain vehicles, and other powersports machines. It arrives precharged and factory-activated, so it can be installed immediately without dealing with acid filling or ongoing maintenance. The sealed absorbed glass mat design keeps the electrolyte contained, helping to prevent leaks, reduce corrosion, and extend the service life in real-world use. Riders who tackle cold mornings, summer heat, and long trail days will appreciate that this battery is built to provide steady performance across demanding weather and temperature swings. Its ability to be mounted in multiple orientations, along with strong resistance to vibration and shock, makes it particularly well suited for rough trails and rugged terrain. Overall, this battery offers a practical mix of compatibility, durability, and low-fuss ownership that suits everyday commuters as well as weekend off-road riders.